And a sinner, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in gray. They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.
Good morning, you guys. So today is Sunday the 26th. I came back last night and I was so exhausted, so I slept immediately. But now it's Sunday and I'm trying to do like a Sunday reset. I have so much laundry on the floor, which I'm about to sort out right now, arrange my room and just plan my week. Honestly, now I'm just in my bathroom, and also I didn't wash my makeup and I woke up and it looks tea. Like I can actually dress up and go out right now with this beats. Yeah, anyways, let's clean and probably get some more groceries because I think I'm running out of groceries. I don't even have it, so I think it's time.
And I'm forever your lady, I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized, got a lifeline. I will sing of
with its governor having his.
It's what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my way of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, waiting on the song, that's why I said change that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. Break it down. Yes, sir. leveled up my brick. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak. That was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true. Exchange, yeah. Hey, exchange for the better. I know you know how to make me better. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo. But I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Realize what a glad him. Ain't never say they got him. You know I bet you wanna tell him, don't tie him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing him? I've been driving, back and forth from you, very hesitant. Mileage, on the whip, got your in my grip, college. Make you wanna flip $40. Jobs for you, swear to God, I can do that for you. Started going through the game, I had to stop, but I was going through the gram that I had to follow.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show